Welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's the Katigar vlog. So today vlog is to Windermere Resort. Only few minutes left to reach Windermere. I'm just 5 minutes left to reach. So see you when I reach there. I'm here at
Hello guys, the place here is very beautiful and I'm very in love with nature, and the place here is full of white. No, you can't see it here. I will show you. Look, the white. This is the white hall, and then fully white here, and here is the parking area. You can see it, so you can park your car, your bike, scooty, or whatever you come with by. So you can park it here, and then this is the place that you can take a rest and click some photo here. If you come along with your family, friends, or maybe your loved one, you can come and sit here and click some photo, a nice photo. So now I will show you more beautiful place here. There you can see it from here. That's a beautiful tree. I will show you here. We can go to the parking area. You can go, you can see the fire there. So for you can go down, you come down, and then here the people flower. You can see it. Come here. Let's have a nice look. Beautiful flowers and okay. I'm really in love with nature. I just love this Windermere. Mwah.